Hello students, how are you? I hope you must be fine. Today we will discuss about pronoun. But before going into our topic, we will talk about something. Means I am going to talk about my friend. Means I will make some sentences on my friend. Suppose that my friend name is Sheetal. Then I will talk about Sheetal. Sheetal is my best friend. Sheetal is a good dancer. Sheetal's mother is a teacher. Sheetal shares her lunch with me. Students, how does it look? Does it look good? What are you thinking? It is going good. No, it is not going good. Can you find out any mistake in it? Yes, there is some mistakes. I am using word Sheetal again and again. That will be incorrect. So, instead of using noun again and again, we used to replace them with something, and the thing which we replace instead of noun is a pronoun. मीन्स बेटा जो वर्ड हम नाउन की जगह पे यूज़ करते हैं वो हमारे प्रोनाउन होंगे. मीन्स आई कैन से और आई विल मेक these sentences like this. Seema is my best friend. She is a good dancer. Her mother is a teacher. She shares her lunch with me. Means now I am not repeating noun again and again. So it will be correct. Now come to the topic pronoun. Okay, let's read its definition. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. Example: Raman works in an office. He goes to office in his car. I am talking about Raman. मैं रमन की बात कर रही हूँ और रमन में बार बार रिपीट ना करके मैंने उसकी जगह क्या लगाया, ही और हिज लगाया. इफ़ आई विल मेक दिस सेंटेंसेस लाइक दिस: Raman works in an office. Raman goes to office in Raman's car. How does it look? It looks very weird. So, जो वर्ड नाउन की जगह हम यूज़ करते हैं वो हमारे प्रोनाउन होते हैं. Okay? Now we will read about kinds of pronouns. There are 9 kinds of pronouns. First one, personal pronouns. Second, possessive pronouns. Third one, demonstrative pronouns. Fourth one, interrogative pronouns. Fifth one, reflexive pronouns. Sixth one, relative pronouns. Seventh one, emphasizing pronouns. Eighth one, indefinite pronouns. Ninth one, reciprocal pronoun. Okay, first one, personal pronoun. Now we will discuss personal pronoun. The word personal means that something related to a person. Now, we will read definition of personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is used in place of a person or a thing. Means हम एक कोई भी place या person के साथ हम इसको use कर सकते हैं. कोई भी person और thing की जगह हम personal pronoun को use करते हैं. They can be either singular or plural, and personal pronoun may function as a subject or the object in a sentence. मीन्स जो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन होता है वो एज ए सब्जेक्ट भी वर्क कर सकता है और एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट भी. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे हम इसके. ही, शी, आई, यू, दे एंड वी आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. अब देखिए, कुमार इज़ अ रिच मैन. ही इज़ माई नेबर. हियर ही इज़ अ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. Now we will learn more about personal pronoun. Personal pronoun includes 3 things. First thing is number. Number means singular or plural. Person pronoun may be singular or plural. Now here is an example. My friend went to the zoo. I am talking about singular number. My friend is a singular number, so I am talking about singular number. My friend went to the zoo. She enjoyed there. Means if I am using singular number, then pronoun also will be singular. If I use instead of my friend, my friends went to the zoo, then can I use she? No, I can't use she. I will use they. Then I can say my friends went to the zoo. They enjoyed there. It means if number will change, then pronoun will also change. Now, second thing is gender. It includes male, female और neuter. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे आप. Ravi is a teacher. He loves teaching. I am talking about Ravi. Ravi is a male. So, I am using he for Ravi. If I use Reena instead of Ravi, then I will use Reena is a teacher. Can I use he? No, I can't use he because Reena is a female. So I will use she. Then I will make Reena is a teacher. She loves teaching. Means we can say if gender will change, then pronoun will automatically change. Now third thing is, which is very important, person. It includes first person, second person and third person. Students, I have seen many students to get confused in first person, second person and third person. Okay, I will tell you about first person. First person means somebody who is speaking, means he is a speaker. Just now I am speaking, then I am the first person. Now we will talk about second person. Second person means whom I am speaking. Just now I am speaking with you, then you are the second person. Now we will talk about third person. Third person means the person spoken about. Means थर्ड पर्सन हम कह सकते हैं मीन जिसके बारे में बातें की जा रही है. बेटा फर्स्ट पर्सन जो बातें कर रहा है सेंटेंस में, सेकंड जिससे वो बातें कर रहा है एंड थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में बातें की जा रही है. नाउ हियर इज एन एग्जांपल. आई एम टॉकिंग विद यू अबाउट माय सिस्टर. वंस अगेन लिसन. आई एम टॉकिंग विद यू अबाउट माय सिस्टर. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन? I is the first person and second person you is second person and third person my sister. हम बातें कौन कर रहा है? मीन्स I किससे कर रहा है? you. तो you is second person. किसके बारे में बातें हो रहे हैं? It's a third person. Now बेटा here is a table. Person singular or plural. Person, if person in first means we are using first person means I as subject, then object will be me. Means I am talking about singular number. If subject will plural means if we use we, then object will be us. Now second person always remain same. You and you in singular and in plural also. And third person, if I use he as a subject, then him will be object. If I use they as a plural, then object will be them. If I use she, then object will be her. If I use it, then object will be it. Means we can say अगर हम subject singular use कर रहे हैं तो object भी as a singular आएगा. Okay, I think it is clear to you all. Now second one is possessive pronouns. Pronouns that shows position are called possessive pronouns. मीन्स बेटा इट शोज ऑनरशिप. मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं ये अपना एक तरह से अधिकार दिखाता है. एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज माई पेन. मीन्स माई इज पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन, क्योंकि ये इसमें कहा जा रहा है ना कि यह मेरा पेन है, तो मेरा यहाँ पे पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन है. if I say this pen belongs to me and my friend, then I will say this this pen is ours. Here ours are possessive pronoun. And second example, these books are mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. दिस इज आर्स. आर्स इज पजेसिव प्रोनाउंस. ये जहाँ हमारा अधिकार होता है तो हम उसको पजेसिव प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. नाउ थर्ड वन इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. लेट्स रीड डेफिनेशन फर्स्ट. प्रोनाउंस दैट आर यूज्ड टू पॉइंट आउट द सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट आर कॉल्ड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. एग्जाम्पल दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज. मीन्स जो ये प्रोनाउंस होते हैं ये पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. ये हियर इज एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स सी एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन. दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. किसको ये पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं? ये पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन को. देन दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. दोज आर हर शूज. हियर दोज आर द डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. बेटा you know very well, this and that we use for singular and those and these refers to plural. Now fourth one is interrogative pronouns. Pronouns that are used to ask question are called interrogative pronouns. Means when we ask question then we will use interrogative pronoun. Example, what is your favorite dish? We are asking about favorite dish. So here is interrogative pronoun. Whom do you want to meet? Here we are asking whom do you want to meet? We are asking. So here is interrogative pronoun. And last one, who teaches you English? We are asking about English. Who teaches you? Then here is interrogative pronouns. Fifth one is relative pronouns. The word relate means something that is relatable. Relative means not your kith and kin who is coming to your home. We are talking about relative pronouns. Let's read definition. Relative pronouns are those pronouns that join relative sentences and clauses and show the relation to a noun and modify the same noun. Means that we can say if we are able to relate something. Means अगर हम दो चीज़ को relate करते हैं तो वो हमारा relative pronoun होता है. Example, who, that, whom, whose, which are the examples of relative pronouns. Here, the boy who met you is my friend. We are relating two words, the boy and my friend. दो वर्ड को हम रेट कर रहे हैं, the boy और my friend को किससे? who. Here, who is relative pronoun. And second one, the girl who won the music competition is my sister. Here, who is also relative pronouns. Beta, you will be confused. Who, whom, those are the belongs to W family. But yes, they belongs to W family. But here they are using as a conjunction. Here we are not asking question, so they are not question word here. बेटा हम यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहे हैं, हम दो वर्ड को, दो सेंटेंस को रिलेट कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए यहाँ पर ये रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है. ये कोई क्वेश्चन वर्ड से रिलेट नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट वन इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. सच प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड when the action by the subject turns back or reflect on the subject. बेटा हम इसमें कह सकते हैं कि जो एक्शन है वो सब्जेक्ट खुद करता है. एग्जाम्पल से देखेंगे, माई सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, आर सेल्फ. मीन्स दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट देखेंगे आप, शी मेड हर सेल्फ अ न्यू ड्रेस. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यू ड्रेस. मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं उसने जो है न्यू ड्रेस खुद बनाई है. तो यहाँ पर हर सेल्फ इज अ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. मीन्स सब वर्क किसने किया है? Who made new dress? Means we can say she, herself. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. And second example, he hurt himself. And third example, I cleaned my room myself. Who cleaned my room? Means myself. Here myself is a reflexive pronoun. Emphasizing pronouns means definition. It is definition of emphasizing pronoun. Pronouns that are used to add emphasis or called emphasizing pronouns. Means it used. Yeah, we can say to give emphasis means more stress on subject. ये जो pronoun होता है ये subject पर बहुत ज़्यादा stress करता है, means बहुत ज़्यादा emphasis करता है, तो ये emphasizing pronoun होता है. Means she herself made a new dress. She herself, we are talking about herself. हम कह सकते हैं there is no option. She herself made, उसने ये खुद बनाई है. And second one, he himself should clean his room. Means we are talking about himself, यानी वो उसे खुद clean करना चाहिए. We are talking about himself. Then herself and himself are emphasizing pronoun. And we can take one more example. I myself clean my room. Here myself, मैंने अपना रूम खुद साफ किया है. There is no option, किसी और ने नहीं किया है. Here myself is also emphasizing pronoun. We can say emphasizing जो pronoun होते हैं, we can emphasize the pronoun हम subject के एकदम बाद यूज़ करते हैं. She herself, he himself, I myself. तो ये हमारा emphasizing pronoun होता है. And 8 is indefinite pronouns. The indefinite pronouns do not refer to any specific person or thing. जो indefinite pronoun होते हैं ये किसी particular person या subject को refer नहीं करते हैं बेटा. The most common indefinite pronouns are all, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, few, many, nobody, none, one, several, something are the example of indefinite pronouns. बेटा example देखेंगे. Example means there are 5 boys are standing. I am saying Ram is a nice boy, Parvi is a nice boy, Sam is a nice boy, Ravi is a nice boy, and Anshu is a nice boy. And instead of saying name, if I will say all are nice boy, then all will be a pronoun. And we can take second example. I'm saying Reena is my cousin and Meena is my cousin. And instead of 2 nouns, if I say Reena and Meena, instead of Reena and Meena, I can say both are my cousin. Then both is indefinite pronoun. The example of indefinite pronoun: all are equal in the eyes of God. Then all is indefinite pronoun. Anybody can meet him. Anybody is also indefinite pronoun. Everybody attended the meeting. Everybody is indefinite pronoun. Somebody knocked at the door. Somebody is indefinite pronoun. Now 9th one is reciprocal pronoun. The reciprocal pronoun are each other and one another. Each other is more frequently used than one another, but when more two people or thing are involved, one another is often preferred. देखिए बेटा, इसमें हम ये भी कह सकते हैं we can bring 2 sentences together by using the reciprocal pronoun. या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं इसमें बेटा कि जब 2 सब्जेक्ट जो है वो एक जैसा काम करते हैं तो भी हम reciprocal pronoun यूज़ करते हैं. Here is an example: Ram likes Sita, Sita likes Ram. We can say Ram and Sita likes each other. And one thing more, each other हम 2 के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, and one another we can use for more than one. Means I will say one more example. We will take distribute these toffees each other. Means I am talking about 2 person. If I say distribute these toffees one another, it means I am talking about 2 person. Okay beta. And last example, the children looked at one another when surprise gifts were given. Means we are talking about children. Children means हम ज़्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं, 2 से ज़्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं. So it will be a reciprocal pronoun. I think pronoun is clear to you all students.